Hello guys, this time I'm gonna go over some questions. Like number one, I don't think I have to go over this because it's very easy. But number two, I think I should go over this. So guys, first of all, when you have this one, do you see this anything that has like pointing side here? You can cross that out because that's not gonna be the answer. Because your answer usually have this one, okay? So if you have any pointing side, that's wrong, just cross that out. Your answer is gonna be either C, B, or C. So what you gotta do is you gotta put this one into the decimals and see which one matches like closer to this one. And obviously you cannot put inequality symbol, so what can you do? So you gotta put equal to sign, okay? So which one has a two dashed line? Like two dashed line. Because it has a one that does have a line underneath it, like this too, right? To me, this one has only one dashed line. But you should have two of them. Right, so answer is going to be B. It's going to be very clear about this one. But another way of doing this is you put this one into the decimals and see which one. So this one, you got to see, you put this one into decimals and see if it is in the top or bottom. So first of all, this one, you cannot put this one into decimals. So you're going to skip this one. But you can put this ring. So let's put this one into decimals. So it's going to be y is equal to, because you cannot put inequality, 0.2x. So you got this one, and I'm going to put this one. Y is equal to 2 over 3. Y is equal to 2 over 3x. 2 over 3x, right? Plus 2. Whoa, do you see this one already?
Ladies and gentlemen, is not here, so if you want to keep your students a little bit extra longer.
Do you see this one is a little bit above this basic line? So, which is above this one. So yeah, it's gonna be B. Well, I'm at school and it happens, so guys, please excuse me. And yeah, number C, how I did it, obviously as you can see, I find the vertex, which is negative 2 over 3, and see vertex of this one, which is opposite side of this and this, and see which one matches, okay? It's that easy. Number 4, again, this question, usually your answer is gonna be at step 2 and step 3. So I just, at this point, what you gotta do is you gotta divide by 2 and multiply and square it, which means you get 16. So you gotta do plus 16 minus 16. But do you see they took out negative 16 without multiplying by this one too? Because that's supposed to be negative 32. So this one, between step 2 and step 3, there's a one hidden step, but he didn't do it because you got to do plus 16 minus 16, but he didn't do it. So whatever. Question number 5 is a decimals questions. You just put this one to decimals, just flip the sign here. Then you're going to have, zoom out, you're going to have x equals 12 as our answer key. And same thing here, you put this one to decimals without flipping the sign here, okay? Question number 7, you just put this one into decimals. And again, as soon as you put something into the decimals, domain is going to be all real numbers. So answer is going to be either A or C. And you have this graph. So range is the bottom to top. Lowest point is negative infinity. The highest point is the 6 because that was the vertex. And here I don't have to flip it, so that's the answer. And looks like that's the answer. It's just so straightforward, so I don't think I have to go over this. Now about the question number 9, what can we do? You put this one into here and you flip the sign here and put this one into decimals. And you choose one number in the between. But look at this, negative 2 over 3 and 3 over 2. Do you see these 2 as 3 over 2 at here? So I'm going to cross these 2 out. So answer is going to be either B or D. Easy. Now you're going to put 0 into this top one, not this one, to this one. And then you're going to put this one into the calculator and see if it is true or false. I got true, which means your answer is going to be X in the middle. If you get false, then you're going to get an OR statement, which means this one is going opposite direction. Question number 10 is easy. I just went over this. How can I get rid of this negative 1/4? Multiply by 1/4 both sides. Okay, so I got this one. And what I can do is, and then what? you can do something like that after that. But what you can do is you put this one into decimals with the flipping the sign here, and put every single one of this one into decimals and see which one crosses same x-intercept. For example, if you put this one into decimals with the flipping sign, you're gonna have like some graph like this. And one of this one will have a exactly same x-intercept like this, crossing. That's what you gotta do on the decimals, okay? And question number 11, I did it by hand, but you can do it using calculator. Just common mistake that I'm gonna say is if you choose this one as an answer, that's wrong, okay? Because you cannot round it. It should be exactly same. So you gotta put this one into calculator. You gotta put every single one of this one into calculator, okay? So don't choose something like C. Question number 12, that one I think I should go over it some other time because that one is gonna be long. I will go over this one in class, but just look at this one and see how I did it, okay? Because if you wanna get the area of this, if you wanna get this side, that's a 12, this entire thing, minus this two side, which is x's. So that's why I did 12 minus 2x's. This entire thing is 18, so this one is what? 18 minus 2x. So base times height equal to 72, so I get equal to 72, just like this. And you put this one into decimals, like that. And then, yeah, you get x equals 3 or 12. And x cannot be equal to 12, because here 3 is 12. How could this one be 12, right? So this two is 3 each. This one is straightforward, so I'm not going to go over this. You got the similar questions on the decimals a lot, I mean, in the practice a lot. You get $42,500 no matter what, and it differs by 32,000 plus minus. So you can get rid of these two first. So answer is gonna be either this or that. And which one of this one represents 42,500? Obviously this one, because that will be flipped, right? So it's the 14 is like that, easy. Yeah, so that's about it. I went over really fast, and some of you may not be able to understand, but in that case, just let me know. I can help you through Zoom or stuff like that, okay? All right, guys. See you guys. I love you. Bye.